Hello everyone, let me walk you through the demo of Join Table on POS Restaurant in Odoo by BrowseInfo. This Odoo application enhances restaurant operations by allowing staff to merge multiple tables seamlessly in the POS system. Ideal for accommodating large groups, this module ensures flexible seating arrangement and an improved dining experience. With real-time table merging, staff can efficiently manage order and provide better customer service. So, first of all, we will go into the POS module. Here you can see all the registers. Open your restaurant register. Click on Open Register. And here you can see your restaurant tables. Here you can see the various types of tables. And now we will select the fifth one. Okay. And we will drag this with 4. After doing that, here you can see the 4th and 5th table is merged. If you click on that any table, here you can see that it is coming as 4 and 5. Here we will just discard all the orders and we will add new products to our order cart. Here you can see I have added 4 different products into my cart. Here you can add your customer. I have added Billy Fox as my customer. And after clicking on order, we will click on payment. Here you can select anything, card or cash for the payment. Here I am selecting cash and click on validate. Here you can see your payment is successful. And in the receipt also, you can see all the information with joined table and table numbers. Here also you can see 4 and 5 are joined table. After this, we will just close our register from here and we will go into the backend, and in orders, we will go into the orders, and here you can see our order we just created. Here you can see in the join table field, it is coming 4 and 5, the table number we joined. Here you can see the products we ordered from this order. If you have any queries about this video, you can ask them in the comment box and we will solve your queries. If you feel this video is useful to you, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Odoo related videos. Thanks for watching.